good sport, Applejack.
All right, you two. This is the final event. Give it all you've got.
Looks like the workhorse might come out ahead in this one. That's not fair. You can't use your wings to hold your way in. Huh? You're cheating. I can't understand you with that rope in your mouth. I said, uh-oh.
I win by a landslide. Or mudslide in your case.
I am the Iron Pony! Only 'cause you cheated.
What?
You used your wing power to help you win over half those contests.
Sounds like sour apples to me.
Are you saying you didn't use your wings?
Well, no. But you never said I couldn't use my wings.
I didn't think I needed to tell you to play fair.
I still would have won even without my wings.
Prove it.